Hey everyone, welcome to the next exercise. This is exercise 11F, the area of a triangle. Now, I'm going to draw a couple of different triangles just to give you an idea of what they're going to try and trick you with. So we've got a triangle here and there. The two bits of information that we're going to need is the base and the height. A bit like the previous exercise around parallelograms, we wanted the base and the height. So the base is the bottom of the triangle and the height is obviously how high it is. But they might try and trick you with a triangle that looks like this. The base is still down the bottom, that's easy, but the height is that vertical there, up and down, so that is our height. So that's where they might try and trick you. They might even give you a weird shaped triangle like this, and you need to figure it out. The base is just the bottom part, so it's only from here to here. That's the base of the triangle, not all the way across. And the height is they'll do a dotted line and they'll say that's the height. If they give you a number like 7 over here, that's to try and trick you. Alright? The important part, we have a base and we have a height. Alright? And those two examples are really helpful. We've got a special formula. Okay? Make sure you write this down, make it really colourful, draw stars around. I don't care, but this is super important. Area equals 1/2 times the base times the height. Alright, that's our formula. Please write that one down. As I said, draw stars around it. I don't care, but that's our really important formula that we're going to use. Now, let's go to an example. If we have a triangle like this one here, and they say that this here is 8 and this here is 20 centimeters, and this over here is 11 centimeters. One of these numbers they're going to try and trick you with. Alright, have a guess which one it is? Well done, spot on, the 11. Okay, the 11 is the trick. Alright, what we have to do is we have to write our formula, so we would say A equals 1/2 times the base times the height. The base equals the 20, the height equals the 8. Alright, we've put in our values, then we can put them into the formula, so we say A equals 1/2 times 20 times 8. You're welcome to use your calculator. If you're not quite sure how to do it with your calculator, please watch here. I'm going to just quickly show you with the simulator on how to do things like a half into the calculator, because this is where things get a little bit complicated. And it's once you know how to do it, it's super easy. Alright? So we need 1/2 times 20 times 8. So to do 1/2, we go 1, ABC, 2, then we go times, what do we need to do? Times 20 times 8. Times 20 times 8. So we've got 1/2 times 20 times 8, then we push equals, and our answer is 80. So we can just write that in. Alright, so we would say the area equals 80, what units? Centimeters squared. Alright, centimeters squared. I'll do one more example for you guys. Let's say we've got a weird triangle like this one here. Okay, and they say this is 2 meters and there is a height of 3 meters over here. Alright, these are the important bits of information that they give you. What do we have to do? We have to write down our formula. A equals 1/2 times the base times the height. What does the base equal? Well, even though the base is up the top, we say that the base equals 20. So it equals 2 meters. Alright, the height equals 3. Alright, then we need to write our formula out again. Okay, but instead of writing B and H, we write 2 and 3. To put that into our calculator, 1/2 times 2 times 3, we go 1 ABC 2 times 2 times 3. 1/2 times 2 times 3 equals 3. Easy. So we write our area equals 3 what units? Meters squared. Alright, that's enough of my examples. Please get in contact with me if you have any troubles. Make sure you write down lots of notes, have a go at the questions, check your answers. If you get them wrong, please send me a message on Teams and I'll give you a hand. Alright, all the best guys. Take care. Bye.